Hi, this is Ward Show. We have a great show today with amazing stuff, a lot of great stuff, amazing stuff. I hope you enjoyed today's show. Da 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 da. Sing a song. Sing out loud. Sing out strong. Sing of good things, not bad. Sing of happy, not sad. Just sing. Sing a song. Make it simple to last your whole life long. Don't worry that it's not good enough for anyone else to hear. Just sing. Sing a song. La 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 la. La 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 la. Just sing. Sing a song. Here we are, ready to rid the world against evil. Here we have angels among us. Excuse me, but I caught this person. What? What was he doing? He was making an unusual loss. Did you read his rights? Yes, I'm trying to see. Alright, you're on the right to remain silent. Don't you know about this? Alright, you're on the right to remain stupid. Alright, get in there, go. What's that? I think it's a lawyer. He's got a briefcase. Alright, they can all go there. But two more. Where's this coming from? Alright, here we go. We got to count this out. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? There's more of them! What do we do? Oh no! Hide! Man, they'll never get us in here. Uh-oh. Ag! Pump out, Glam. I have to do some things. What's that, Pump out, Mitch? A long great bug. Pump out, you know where I want to go? What's that, Pump out, Mitch? The United States of bug. Do you want to see one of the long great things? What's that? A long great bug. Pump out, Glam. There's a spider in bed. Bug. Afternoon, my favorite book. Broadway musicals in the 1940s. The Roaming to Botany. What can we regard this?
Hey, Rod.
Hi, Nicky.
Man, you wouldn't believe what I saw. What's that? I was on the bus today and I saw this guy coming up to me. He's smooth and smoothly. He's real over the lake.
So, why are you telling me that?
Well, you thought it was gay.
So, why are you telling me that? Who cares? I don't care. What are you having for lunch today?
Well, I'm knowing he's got a husband, but
what do I care about some gay guy you met on the bus today?
and well,
I don't care. This conversation is over.
Well, you know, if you were gay, that'd be okay. And anyway, I like you anyway. If you were gay, it'd be okay. You anyway. If you were gay, but I'm not gay.
Nicky, I'm trying to read.
What? If you were queer, I'd still be here and anywhere. I'll like you anywhere. If you were queer and anywhere, anyway. If you were gay, but I'm not gay, I'm happy to be with you.
I don't care about some things.
What you do with them with guys, I believe that. If you were gay, it'd be okay.
I know one thing!
It'd be okay.
I know one thing!
If you were anyway, if you were gay, it'd be okay. I like you anyway. If you just born that way, anyway, if you're okay, you're gay.
I'm not gay!
If you were gay.
You do something to me, something that really mystifies me. Who could it be? You had the power to hypnotize me. Let me into your spell, to do that voodoo and use a well, though you do something to me that nobody else could do. You do something to me, something that really mystifies me. How could it be? You had the power to hypnotize me. Let me into your spell, to do that voodoo that you do so well. You do something to me that nobody else could do. There's a fine, fine line between a lover and a friend. There's a fine, fine line between reality and pretend. And you never know what happens evermore. There's a fine, fine line. What is more and what is not? There's a fine, fine line between a lover and a friend. Oh, there's a fine, fine line between reality and pretend. And you never know what's more. There's a fine, fine line. What is more and what is not? When I thought the feeling that what more is more. I got that feeling what you're looking for. There's a fine, fine line between a lover and a friend. Oh, there's a fine, fine line between reality and pretend. And you never know what's more, what's ever more. There's a fine, fine line. What is more and what is not? Well, we had a great show today. It was quite amazing. We had a great show. It was quite amazing. Hope you enjoyed today's show. See you soon.